to talk to you today about the importance of recess. Now, what I mean is, listen, every day this seems to be continuing, as we know, and we don't know when it's going to end. So a lot of us have children at home. I have 2 kids at home from college, and I thought, how do I make this feel normal? So I taught my children a long time ago the importance of time blocking with their schedule, homework, sports, all that sort of thing. But now that we're all home together, what I encourage them to do is to have a schedule. Get up in the morning, do your workout, have breakfast, whatever, and then say maybe do a little homework. Then from 10 to 10:20 we have recess. So if you can go outside where you live, go outside for a few minutes, take a walk, read a book, play a video game for a few minutes if you want to, call a friend, have fun on some social media, then back to class, quote unquote, from 10:30 to noon. Then at noon we'd have a little lunch. But here's the deal, recess is also important for us, so we don't go crazy. And the way I'm getting through this is I have myself on a schedule, and then nobody's perfect, but I try to stay to it. But I give myself recesses. In the middle of the morning, mid-morning, I'll go out and have a little walk, or maybe I'll read a magazine, or I'll call a friend. Then at noon, I try to take my lunch break. Maybe depending on what day of the week it is, at 5:30, have a little happy hour. My girlfriends and I are doing some virtual happy hours together, but really what makes this feel, I think, easier is that word control. If we can have some sort of control, oftentimes we feel better inside. So for me, control is a schedule. And for my children as well, we seem to operate better and feel happier. But listen, we all need something to look forward to. And if we can put it in our minds how fun it was to have recess when we were little, and just capture that feeling and do that for ourselves, I think it'd make things a lot better. And it will also make us feel like, we have something to look forward to throughout the day. So I just wanted to share that let's not forget the importance of recess like when we were children. Stay healthy and well, my friends.